Today you'll take your quiz for Section 14.1 in Social Studies. Make sure you put your name, the date, and the class period at the top of the page. Your first section is true and false. Make sure your T's and F's are clear. Number 1, the steamboat, the steam-powered locomotive, the sewing machine, the telegraph, and the steel-tipped plow were some of the major innovations of the 1800s. 2, the sewing machine increased the rate at which clothing was produced. 3, wider and deeper canals allowed steamboats to travel on major rivers. 4, clipper ships could sail at speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. 5, after the invention of the revolutionary after the invention of revolutionary farming methods, settlers left the Great Plains area. The next section is your multiple choice. Number 6. By 1860, where were most of the country's goods manufactured? A, northeast, B, northwest, C, southeast, D, southwest. 7. By 1860, the United States had almost 31,000 of these. Did they have 31,000 A, canals, B, clipper ships, C, miles of railroad tracks, or D, miles of telegraph lines? Number 8. Which invention filled the need for a method of communication that kept up with the industrial growth and fast-paced travel? This is a communication method. Was it A, the mechanical reaper, B, railroads, C, the steam engine, or D, the telegraph? Number 9. What did John Deere invent in 1837? Did he invent A, Morse code, B, clipper ships, C, steel-tipped plow, or D, the telegraph? Number 10. Which invention ensured that raising wheat would remain the main economic activity in the Midwestern prairies? Was it A, the mechanical horse, B, the mechanical reaper, C, the steel thresher, or D, the steel-tipped plow?